Hello, Happy Bones community. Thank you so much for joining me again. Today we are going to focus on upper back and chest opening stretches. So if you are sitting at your desk all day on the computer or you're struggling with shoulder posture, forward rounded shoulder posture, what they call like text back or iPad back, whatever you want to call it, this one is for you. This really helps that upper back mobility, and it really helps to kind of give you some length within those muscle chains. So the first one we are going to start out with is called puppy dog pose, and this is one of my favorites. So enjoy. All right, to start off our puppy dog pose, we're going to start in a tabletop position. And in this position, we're actually going to keep the toes tucked right under, hips are stacked right above the knees, and the shoulders above the wrists. And from here, what's going to happen is you are going to bring that booty back towards your heels, keep the feet and the toes tucked under, and then from here, we're going to slide our chest forward. The forehead comes down onto the mat, and we start to reach as far away from ourselves as humanly possible. So we're kind of coming into this bowing puppy dog, playful pose. Feel those shoulders really grabbing onto the length, and really let your chest sink, your heart sink towards the mat. Good. You're going to take a good couple of deep breaths here. Hold on to this if you can, anywhere from 30 to 90 seconds. Really let your body relax into it. If you need to come out for a break or you need to dial back on how far you're reaching, by all means do that. And if this is a little sensitive on your knees, as always, throw a little towel under there, fold your mat over, give yourself some extra cushioning, and keep reaching forward. The next pose we are going to go into is called rabbit pose. So just a little note here, if you struggle with neck pain, please be careful with this one. Always listen to your body. If it doesn't feel like something that's right for you, don't do it. We're going to have tons of other stretches and things that you can do with your neck. So again, starting out in a tabletop position, as always, hips stacked over the knees, shoulders over the wrists. We are going to tuck the toes under again, so the feet are flexed and the toes are tucking under. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start to shift back, and we are going to reach for our heels. So as we do this, the forehead comes onto the floor, and really try to tuck those toes under as well. Get a good stretch into the feet. And while we're holding on to our feet, we're going to start to bring our upper body up. So we're starting to straighten out, and you're going to tuck the head under and come up right onto the crown of your head as if you're in a headstand, basically. And so from here, you're going to start to feel as you reach and hold onto your heels and you tuck your chin under onto the top of the head, you're going to start to feel a nice opening between your shoulder blades. So here we are, really pressing that upper back up towards the ceiling. It's kind of like a similar motion as to when you're in a cat-cow position, and you're really hollowing out that stomach and pressing that whole spine up at you. Good. And of course, when we're coming out of this stretch, really make sure to be aware of your neck, slowly coming out, supporting the head, taking the pressure off, and coming back into a tabletop position and shake it out. The last stretch of this series today is a Superman with a twist. Dun, da, da, da. So everybody kind of knows Superman pose. Sometimes they're done with the arms stretched out, right? This one today, we're gonna have the palms by the ears. So what we're going to be doing is we're gonna stretch the legs out behind you. The tops of the feet where your shoelaces would be are pressing into the floor. So this is actually a sneaky core back exercise. And everybody needs to do these, so enjoy. We are going to bring the chest down. The fingertips are gonna come right beside your ears. You're going to squeeze your abs in, squeeze your glutes, and lift your chest up. And then from here, we're going to add in the twist. So the twist comes with your upper body and back to center. You can add a rest in between if you'd like. Before you come up, good, twist, come back to center. Good. So while we're going through this, we really want to squeeze those shoulder blades together and open that chest towards that left and right side. One more time. Good. I suggest going through this one, doing about, maybe 5 rounds if you can. Left and right would be 1 round. But of course, listen to your body. If you've never done it before, get your body used to the movement. Start off small and work yourself up in increments through the week. Add it into your rehab routine and go from there. Let me know how this goes in the comments below. I want to hear about it.